Hi everyone! As summer is still here and lychees are in season in Vietnam, today I will share with you a simple summer recipe, a refreshing salad that hits all the right flavor notes. If fresh lychees are not available in your country, you can use the canned lychee or substitute with other fruits of your choice. Let's begin!
Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
You will need a bundle of lychee, a cucumber, some carrot, fresh mint leaves, ginger, chili, yogurt, fish sauce, mayonnaise sauce, fried shallots, and prawns. Peel the vein and boil the prawns with some salt and a piece of smashed ginger. When they change color, drain and leave to cool. To add more lychee flavor to the dressings, add 3 lychee into a food processor and pull to puree. In a bowl, combine a tablespoon of the lychee puree, a tablespoon of mayonnaise sauce, a tablespoon of yogurt, a tablespoon of fish sauce, and a teaspoon of chili sauce. Add half a teaspoon of minced garlic if you love some kick. Stir well to combine, and you will get a dressing with a really nice consistency with great colors and very tasty. Next, julienne the cucumber and carrots. Combine in the mixing bowl and toss well with 1 to 2 tablespoons of the dressing. Add some julienne ginger, the cooked prawns and the fresh mint. Add the lychee and toss well. Wow, it looks so good! Transfer to a serving plate. Garnish with some ginger strips and chili slices. And don't forget the fried shallots. The crunchy vegetables combined with the sweet and meaty lychee, mingling in the fragrant and fruity dressing. So good, refreshing and healthy. This recipe would work well with other sweet and sour fruits like strawberry or mangosteen. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out. Share with me a photo on Instagram with hashtag Helen Recipes so I can enjoy your creation too. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel for more awesome recipes like this. I will see you then next time. Bye!